Good morning. It's Sandy, and it's July 19th, and I'm here with your coming attractions for week 3. So our first 2 weeks have gone remarkably well, though we've had a couple of little incidents where something has gone wrong. First, I want to let you know that I believe everything is okay for this week. If you have any questions or concerns, of course, feel free to contact me. So this week you will be studying chapters 10, 12, and 13 in your textbook, and you have access to the PowerPoints in the class as well. This is going to be talking about advancing healthcare, and now we're talking about policies and procedures and structure and the impact those have on the delivery of healthcare. I want you to look at a couple of videos that I think are just fabulous. The first one is Bringing World-Class Healthcare to the Poorest People, and this is Ernest Madu. Then the second one is, what if our healthcare system kept us healthy? As I said, your slides are there. There's a third, optional video that you can watch if you choose to. It's about mammography, and I think you'll find it's a very interesting struggle. I want you to remember that everything in healthcare isn't really set up for everybody. It's set up to support many people, but not always everyone. So this is a good thing for you to look at. You're also going to be doing the high five test, which is very similar to Strength Finders. It's a free version of Strength Finders. I've found that Strength Finders has given people more insights into themselves than many other assessments or surveys or instruments. So I want you to take this and record your top 5 strengths. Then what you're going to do is, what do your results mean? That's your discussion question. A second discussion question is set up specifically for your group, and I'm happy to say that I've worked with folks at UB, and I believe that that's all right. So you're going to go in and you should only see your own results, and your team. If there's any problem with that, let me know. But as it seems right now, according to the IT folks, and also according to my examination, you should be all set. There is an assignment. You're supposed to take a current event in healthcare. And there's a whole lot that reside around the whole idea of COVID. But if you find something else, feel free. What you're going to do is just kind of deconstruct that event and talk about it, and talk about what leadership actions, if any, were taken. Do you agree with it? Would you do anything different? Remember, an introduction and a conclusion are required in this paper. And I think that is all there is for this week. Now, a quote. So, Mary Barra is the first female head of General Motors. She also has been an incredible resource for girls and women in STEM. One of the things she says is, not everything needs changing. Some things need protecting. So, and that can be just as important, challenging, and rewarding as changing the world. So there's discernment that's necessary. And that's a really important part of being a healthcare leader, is having the discernment to know when things need to change, when they need to be examined, and when they simply should be left alone. So I wish you a wonderful week. As always, if you need me, please reach out. Take care.